Today, I will show you how to use the mini print correctly. We begin by turning on the device using the power button and wait for the main screen to load. There, we will see several icons. We click on the Add icon, which will show us different options to include text, images, and codes. In this case, we enter a date. It will show the types of fonts, numbers, and icons to choose from and edit. We can also modify the size and font. Once the first line is ready, we move on to the second line of text. In this case, we edit it line by line. The coder saves the last editing format used. If we want to include a barcode or QR code, we go to the Add Code option, where we can change the type of code. If it is a barcode, choose option 2A. Each one offers several possibilities. Now, to ensure the information is not deleted, go to the File option to save it with your desired name. And to print the information, we first turn off the coder to insert the ink cartridge. To insert the cartridge, we are going to remove the cover and insert the cartridge at a slight angle with the tip facing down. Then, we're gonna press it in. Make sure the cartridge is fully in place. Close the cover and turn the device on to print. Select Start and press the side button to activate it. You will know it's activated when the middle wall is green. The coder allows you to print on flat surfaces, as shown in the video. But if you want to print on an irregular or curved surface, you can remove the cover to get a better angle and more space to align it with the object. Make sure the print is activated and proceed to slide the device over the object. After finishing the print, turn off the device to remove the cartridge. And always remember to place the plastic cover on the cartridge to prevent the ink from drying out. And finally, to replace the cover, do so from top to bottom by placing the wheels in the opening and sliding it down for better support.